Hey guys, welcome back. Gonna do an unboxing right now. I got my new shift knob replacement for my knob here because I want to change it out. So let's get to it. Hold on 1 second. Just a second. Alright, so I have a 2012 Kia Soul Plus here. And let's see, I got a new shifter knob. So let's see, I got that, got the shift knob, and it came with, alright, hold on, and it came with some adapters, 3 adapters here. Oh my god. And it came with an Allen wrench, but doesn't seem to come out. Alright, and the Allen wrench, and it came with, I think, 3 springs in there. I think it has 4. Or I lost one. I don't know. Anyways, so what you're gonna do is first, you're going to throw your car into neutral. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see that though, but you're gonna throw your car into neutral. I already have this, you know. Don't worry about this. Don't look at this. It's not done yet. Alright, so what you're gonna do is throw your car in neutral, and you're gonna actually just pry. I feel them in the brake though. You're gonna pry straight up. Oh, alright. Shift knob is out. I think I'm just gonna throw this back in the park. Ouch. Alright. So, let me get back to it. Let me actually throw this back on, get the adapters situated, and I will be right back. Alright, so there's a part 2 video. My bad, my apologies. So I got the knob on. As you can see, it's looking fancy. It actually goes, it's kind of tight, but it works. The bolts right here, they're kind of all the way in there. Focus. There we go. They're kind of all the way through, but I'm not sure if it's gotta be touching though, but yeah, I had to use all 3 adapters. But as you can see from park, what's that? And yes, the button does work when I go in the park, because otherwise, yeah. Or maybe it just goes in the park. But yeah, as you can see, there you have it. A racing style shift knob installation. Ish.